Hello. So as we have completed the last exercise 10D, and now let's begin the exercise 10E. This exercise is different than the earlier exercise in the sort of two types. In the earlier exercise, we have just given the equations in which only independent variable was shown, but in this exercise, the questions are of the sort of in which both the dependent and independent variable mix together and comprise the equations, different types of equations, and we have to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So in all the questions of this exercise, we have to find the value of dy over dx, and the first question says x square plus y square equals 4. So let's begin this question. Here the differentiation of x square becomes 2x and the differentiation of y square becomes 2y. Now here we have to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So y is dependent variable on the x, so the differentiation of y will become dy over dx. Okay, and now 4 is constant, so its differentiation is 0. Now in order to calculate the value of this, just interchange these terms in the right side. So the question will become in the form of minus 2x, or dy over dx equals minus 2x over 2y, and dy over dx is just equals to minus x over y. Now let's look at the question number 2. Question number 2 says x square over a square plus y square over b square equals to 1. As you know, this is the equation of ellipse. So in the same way, let's begin with this question. Here 1 over a square is constant, so let it be as this is, and x square becomes 2x, and 1 over y square is same, and y square becomes 2y, and y becomes dy over dx, and 1 becomes 0. Now in order to find the value of dy over dx, just interchange these terms in the right sides. So 2y over b square dy over dx equals minus 2x over a square, and dy over dx equals minus 2x upon a square multiply b square over 2y. And after rearranging the term and cancel this 2 by 2, we have x over y and b square over a square. So this is the final answer. Question number 3 says square root of x plus square root of y equals square root of a. So the differentiation of under root x equals 1 over 2 root x, and plus differentiation of y is 1 upon 2 root y, and y becomes dy over dx equals 0 because a is constant. Now dy over dx is equals to minus 2 over root x and 1 upon 2 root y, or dy over dx equals minus 1 upon root 2x and 2y 2 root y, and 2 is cancelled by 2, and y and x both can be written as the 1 square root. So this is the final answer of this question. Now let's begin the question number 4. Question number 4 says x raised to the power 2 by 3 plus y raised to the power 2 by 3 equals a raised to the power 2 by 3. Again, the differentiation of x to the power 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 x raised to the power 2 by 3 minus 1, and plus 2 by 3 y raised to the power 2 by 3 minus 1, and y is differentiating with respect to x dy over dx equals to 0. or 2 by 3 here and here is common, so it can be taken as common, and the dividing by 0, so it gets to the 0, and x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 becomes minus 1 by 3, and plus here by raised to the power becomes minus 1 by 3, and dy over dx equals to 0. So dy over dx multiplied by raised to the power minus 1 by 3 equals minus x raised to the power minus 1 by 3, or dy over dx equals minus x raised to the power 1 by 3 and divided by raised to the power minus 1 by 3, or this y will become the numerator and x becomes the denominator in order to positive these power of these variables. So y over x whole raised to the power 1 by 3 minus. So this is the final answer of this question. Now just solve the question number 5. Question number 5 is x by equals c square. This is the product of the two variables. So we will use the product formula of the two functions or variables. So here x is same, y becomes dy over dx, and now y is same, x becomes 1, and c square equals to 0 because it is a constant, or dy over dx equals minus y over x. Okay, so this is the final answer. Question number 6 says x square plus y square minus 3xy equals to 1. So here solution of this, x square becomes 2x plus y square becomes 2y, dy over dx minus 3. This is the product of the two variables. So x dy over dx plus y, or x becomes 1. So and 1 becomes 0, or 2x plus 2y dy over dx equals minus 3x dy over dx minus 3y equals 0. Now here dy over dx is common in both the terms. So dy over dx is common, and 2y minus 3x equals 3y and minus 2x, or dy over dx equals by cross multiplying of this factor in the denominator of this, it gets to look like this. Now question number 7 is x by square minus x square. This is minus, yes, it is minus x square by minus 5 equals to 0. So the differentiation of the product of the functions is x is same, y square gives me 2 by dy over dx, plus now y square is same, x is 1. Again x square is same, y is dy over dx, plus now y is same, and x square gives me 2x. Okay, and minus 5 is just 0, so I am not writing that 0, and this is also 0. After taking common as dy over dx, I get 2x by and minus x square equal 2x by will go in the RHS and will become of negative, and also this minus 5 square. So dy over dx is minus 2x by plus y square and divided by 2x by minus x square. Also let me include this minus in the denominator, so it is 2x by times of y square divided by x square divided plus minus 2xy. So this is the final answer. Question 9 is x square plus y square equals log x by. So x square gives me 2x, y square gives me 2y dy over dx, and log xy is just 1 upon xy because this is treating as x, so log x gives me 1 upon x, and xy is again x times of dy over dx plus y times of 1. So after taking common, I get dy over dx 2y minus this term. This is only just when I multiply 1 upon xy with this, so I get only 1 over y. So this is the multiplier of dy over dx equal 1 over x by times of y gives me only 1 over x. So this is 1 upon x, and the term this is remaining term. So this is a 2x. Okay. Now dy over dx times, so this is a 2 y square minus 1 divided by y, and also this is minus 2x square divided by x. So dy over dx equal 1 minus 2x square divided by this 2y minus 1 and multiplied by y over x. So this is the final answer. In this lecture we will do only the 15 questions because otherwise video will be go longer. Question number 10 is x raised to power n plus y raised to power n equals a raised to power n. So x raised to power n, differentiation of x raised to power n is n raised to power n minus 1 plus y raised to power n is n times of y raised to power n minus 1, and differentiation of y is dy over dx equals to 0 because a raised to power n is constant. Now dy over dx times n y raised to power n minus y equals to n x raised to power n minus y. Now dy over dx equal minus n x raised to power n minus y divided by this term. So this is n y times of n raised to power n minus 1. Y raised to power n minus 1 only. N is cancelled by this n, and the terms are x divided by y whole raised to power n minus 1. So this is the final differentiation. Question number 11 is x times of sine 2y equals y times of cos 2x. So x is same, sine 2y is cos 2y, differentiation of sine 2y is cos 2y, and now 2y is just 2 times of dy over dx, plus now sine 2y is same and x is 1 equal y is same and cos 2x is minus sine 2x, and 2x is just 2, plus now cos 2x is same and y, differentiation of y is dy over dx. After taking common dy over dx, we get 2x cos 2y, 2x cos 2y and minus cos 2x equal this term, this is the minus 2 times of y sine 2x and minus this sine 2y. So dy over dx equal minus, let me take common, minus is common, 2y sine 2x plus sine 2y divided by all this term. This is the 2x cos 2y minus cos 2x. You can also include this minus with the denominator to match your answer with the answer sheet. Question number 12 is sin square x plus 2 cos y plus xy equals to 0. Now sin square x just treating as x square. So x square gives me only 2x, and what is x? X is sin x. Now sin x is cos x, differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus 2 is constant, cos y gives me minus sin y, and y is dy over dx, plus x is same, dy over dx plus y is same, x is 1 equals to 0. Let me take common dy over dx. I get minus 2 sin y plus x equals minus y, and minus this term, this is the minus 2 sin x and cos x. So dy over dx is minus y plus 2, this is written as I can written as 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. This is the sin 2x divided by this term. This is the x minus 2 sin pi. Here you also can include this minus in the denominator to match your answer with the answer sheet.